People make a big fuss about stretching watercolour paper. There are loads of different ways to do it, and everyone has their favourite. But the basic principle remains exactly the same. Get the paper wet, stick it to a board. Simple, right? Right. This is my video, so I'm going to teach you my favourite way to do it. I like to use masking tape. I find it a lot easier to apply than specialist water-activated watercolour tape, and less sticky, so there's less risk of ripping the paper when you come to remove it. Bung the paper you want to stretch in some water, leave it there for a couple of minutes until it's soaked. Take it out and put it on kitchen towel or similar, and remove most of the water from the surface. Stick it to your board. Then leave it until it's completely dry. If you want to get all fancy pants, then you can mark out your borders on the paper first with a pencil instead of just eyeballing it, but I'll leave that to you. It's not brain surgery. Woohoo! You just learned how to stretch watercolour paper. I'm sure you can find some 20-minute tutorials out there on the same subject, so I just saved you 18 minutes. Hooray for both of us. Now you can get back to painting.